All right, guys, I'm going to show you my two eye pencils. This is the Master Pro Pigment Pencils. It comes in two shades, the Perfect Brown and Super Black. These are very long-lasting, very easy to glide onto the eyes without pulling or tugging on the skin. And I made it with this custom brush on the end of the pencil to make symmetry a lot easier when doing the line and also to blend out and soften the lines. So I'm going to show you guys how I use these. I'm going to just gently lift the eyelid and I'm going to apply a line. And what I love about this pencil is that you can stop right when you get to the outer corner and then you flip the pencil over and you create the shape by just dragging that brush on the other end out. And another thing that I love to do when I'm working is I often like to soften the line after I've applied it. If you struggle with symmetry and with getting your lines really perfect, this is the pencil for you because you can actually just flip it over and you smoke out the edges. And once you smoke out the edges and soften the lines, it immediately becomes more symmetrical because you don't see any harsh lines. For those of you that like really smoky eyes and to line inside the waterline, one swipe, you flip the brush over and you smoke it out. This pencil doesn't dry down completely right after you apply it. It will give you a few seconds of play time so you can blend it, move it around a little bit, and then it sets down, grips, and becomes water resistant.